Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Msmetics, a YouTuber and makeup artist based in Warri, State, Nigeria. Okay, if you love the way I look, I know you love it because I love the way I am looking. Okay, so guys, this video is a latte and full makeup tutorial. It's all about brown bronzy look. Stopping by for the first time, please do want to like, just like now, subscribe, not free now, any subscribe to this channel. Okay, and let's get right into the video of the day. If you love how I look, then you better watch this video to the end. Let's get right in. And today's video is a latte slash full makeup look. Okay, latte makeup look is the recent trend and I've decided to jump into this trend. Okay, and I'm starting off with my serum, which is the snail essence. Okay,
I'm getting tired of the way you leave me hanging with no choice. If you would ask me long ago, back when you seduced me, yeah, I felt like a domino, but I knew you were liability. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. Got the lips of an angel, got the eyes of a beast, got the hands of a helper, got me weak to my knees. If you would ask me long ago, already knew you were poison. Yet I felt like a domino when you showed up here. He said, baby, I've been dying to see you. Almost thought we were through. I've been busy hanging with my boys, but you look stunning. I forgot how fine you are, but I didn't forget to give you a call. I was just busy with, oh, shut up, shut up, such a dumb. It's almost funny. The way he believes in his own lies, or the way he believes that my doubts won't rise. Oh, shut up, shut up, such a dummy. It's almost funny. Although I call myself to sleep, although I think you're all I need, I have to get a grip of this. I have to let this feeling slip. Oh, shut up, shut up, such a dummy. It's almost funny. Oh, shut up, shut up. You say you don't wanna get in trouble, that you're doing fine cause you got me. I don't wanna break your little bubble, but you gotta wake up to reality. Cause I can see in your eyes, your head is full of dreams. Tears are proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the gotta let them flow without judge. There's many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be. You are like me, and I'm like you. You are like me.
For your latte kind of makeup, this is very important. You need bronzers and contour, and this is from the Morphe contour powder and in the shade Leader, and this is my all-time favorite Queen Cover Girl. These products are very important for a latte makeup, a bronzy brown girl's skin makeup. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this process. These powders are affordable and they are nice. This is a bit pricey. They are affordable, sha.
You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You don't have to be.
This Cover Girl, Queen Cover Girl powder that I use for my contour. I'm just going to use this on my crease. Yeah, I'm just going to blend that. And as for your crease, it's important that you tap. You see the difference between this eye look and this eye look, okay? So you just tap, 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 tap. Always tap your eyeshadow, your eye product on the skin first before going in to blend. So I'll just let that to sit while I do this also. So tap the product in gently, okay? Guys, you could see that I didn't even have to use any brown eyeshadow. I just went in with my Queen Cover Girl in the shade 120. It's a bronzer powder, it's a contour powder, and I love the fact that it has a bit of shimmers inside. Like, look at my eyes, okay? Zoom into my eyes, look at my eyes. Like, you could see that there are some bits of shiny particles, but it's also not shiny. It is still nude and brown and a bit bronzy, okay?
wish I could be strong, survive all on my own, but now I'm running out of hope. I need somebody else to save me from myself, a love too precious to let go. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. When I was a child, I thought I'll be alright, but futures can be full of lies. Yeah, it's never easy to find what you want, and if you should find it, don't dare to let go. If you hold on tight, promise you'll be alright. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody. Should I give it up and hope for better days ahead, or should I keep on searching for the one I haven't met? Should I keep on waiting for you, baby? Tell me when. Yeah, baby, tell me when. I've been searching for someone for all my life. I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. I've been waiting for someone to come around, but I keep on wondering where you hide. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Nobody.
Hey loves, I know that you enjoyed everything about this makeup tutorial. I know, you know that I know that you know that you enjoyed it, okay? So please do well to like this video, share this video, comment down below, let me know your thoughts about this video. To subscribe to this channel is free, to like is also free. You're not paying a dime for it, just help my ministry to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys.